What's going on, everyone? I got a plug and play turn signal kit update for you because this is the end of November. And I got to tell you where things stand. I'm a little behind. I'm just a little bit behind, but we're very close to these shipping out. I've just run into so many delays. I had a problem with my overseas manufacturer. Everything I had lined up with that supplier just completely fell through. I was forced to go out and find a new manufacturer to make the kit for me. And this is where I'd give a huge shout out to the folks at Spark CycleWorks in Connecticut, because they partnered with me to get this project back on track. So Citizen Performance, now in collaboration with Spark CycleWorks, is gonna make this happen. And if you don't know Spark, they are based in Connecticut. They have a manufacturing facility there where they built some really badass looking electric motorbikes. And I talked to Matt over there and his team, showed him the light kit design, sent him some pictures, and honestly, at lightning speed, his team completely replicated my wiring harness. They custom designed and laser cut me all new mounting brackets and even made some improvements to the kit. And here it is. They sent me production samples already. I got one right here, and I got one installed here on this wired bike. So we got our turn signals, all right and left signals, and we still got, whew, wow, really loud motorcycle horn. But even since receiving these initial samples, we've actually gone ahead and just further redesigned the light kit to streamline it even more. So what's gonna go out to customers, what you're gonna get, isn't gonna be like this. So this has this thick section of the wiring harness where there's a voltage regulator and some connections and things. That's gonna be totally streamlined out. That won't even be there. That's this section right here. So that'll be gone. It'll just be a single wire there. So it's gonna look really, really clean on the install. You won't even see it. And then we're gonna go with some larger signals, double row of LEDs, a lot brighter, just kind of for the sake of visibility. And of course, we're gonna still keep it plug and play using that 5-pin adapter plug from the display. So anyone will be able to install this kit so easily. I'm gonna uninstall the one that's on the bike right now. So you just unplug the display, unplug from the harness. We install this one, all right? You plug your display from the bike into the wiring harness, and then you plug the wiring harness, or the light kit, into the wiring harness. So it's two plugs. And now I got the button pushed, so you're running off of the bike's batteries. That's how fast this installs. And you just mount the brackets on the bike and you're done. Very simple. Okay, so now the big question. When will the pre-orders be shipping out? Well, as I film this video, the orders are being built right now by the Spark team in Connecticut, and I hope to have the first batch of 50 shipped out just before Christmas. Then the next larger batch that will fulfill all of the pre-orders, that will be done and shipping out to customers probably by mid-January. And I hope that I'll even have some left over at that point to have them in stock ready to ship mid-January. I mean, some of these bikes are getting really fast, really powerful. People are riding them in traffic with cars. So I just thought it was time that someone offers an aftermarket solution to give them some safety features I think they need. So here it is. And I probably won't take more orders on them until I've got them in stock and ready to ship. If you know you want one, you're really interested, you can always email me. I'm creating an email notification list that as soon as I got them back ready for sale, I'll email that out to everyone and let you know. But that's the update. We are almost there and can't wait to get these in your hands. Thanks, guys.